Hi, welcome to 7 Brandy Court. This lovely home has recently been renovated and is sure to please the most avid buyer. Set in a small cul-de-sac in the sought-after location of Calamvale. So gorgeous new flooring throughout, new painting throughout. Sunken formal lounge, dining area, plantation shutters. A beautiful room. Through to rumpus, informal dining. Doors out to the covered patio area. And a wonderful spacious kitchen. Fantastic storage. It's a room for the fridge freezer, pantry. And more storage here too. Great space for families. Off the hallway is this amazing garage. Extra height ceilings. And again, storage. This room has so much potential. Media room, reverse cycle air conditioning. And surround sound through the leads just here. It's wired. Again, more storage. Bedroom 1. Double built-in and outside security screens. Bedroom 2, again built-in and security screens outside. Bedroom 3, overlooking the rear yard with a triple built-in. These rooms are all good sizes. through to the main bedroom at the rear of the property. Reverse cycle air conditioning. Triple mirrored robe. High. Through to a very generous sized ensuite. And back up the hallway. To family bathroom. Again, another good size. Freshly painted. Separate toilet and spacious laundry. Double sink, and again more cupboard space. And door access through to the rear yard. Brick-built barbecue space. And the most beautiful brick wall. Just gorgeous. So established gardens. Garden shed. The important washing line for families. Single gate side access here for walk through. Lovely little sunny spots here. They have a veggie garden, you could have a swimming pool. And 2 water tanks to keep these gardens looking beautiful. So very private gardens. Take you back through this way. These beautiful red ceilings, and its walls cry out for artwork. So there you have it, 7 Brandy Court in Calamvale. It is just such a wonderful, joyous home. My name's Claire Franklin. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.